Alright, chef. Let's see. What's inside the bag, chef? Anong nasa loob niyan, ha?
Wanna guess?
Ang tagal naman, buksan mo na.
This is heavy. Like, I don't know how much.
Okay,
How much are like?
oh yeah, it is heavy.
It's heavy.
That's like around 40 pounds.
40 pounds. See. So,
Then surprise! What's in the bag? It's the fresh catch of the day. Holy freaking cow! That's a big tuna. Is that a yellow or bluefin?
I don't know. I didn't see the fins.
But see the eye? The eye is like bigger than my thumb. That is a really big tuna.
Ooh, I can smell it fresh.
Lansa. Okay, let's get all the meat we can get. Freaking, that's a big eye. That's fats. That's a lot of fats.
That's a good one.
No, you just boil the eye. Pakuluan mo lang yung mata and then the fat, the oils. That's gonna be good. Good sinigang.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a sinigang.
That's a lot of meat though. That's still a lot of meat for the head.
Wow!
That's a lot of fat though, like around the eye. The tuna pa nga. Where's the tuna pa nga? Woo! The tuna pa nga. It's good for grilling. Heavy.
Ooh, this one's a little too.
Wow, you don't believe this is tuna?
I don't believe.
This is tuna. Is there tuna in China?
I don't think so. This is made from plastic. Plastic. You call it from tomahawk, right?
Made of plastic. You. Ooh, that's the tuna pa nga.
Ano, isang ganyan sa'yo? Sadali mo?
Wala ko lalagyan bro.
Baho, pero ang laki. Fresh na fresh yung
So, ayaw mo kumain sushi?
Ang laki ngayon ako nakikita ganito kalaking isda.
Actually, octopus to.
Ano, mas malaki pa yung ulo eh. Mata kaysa sa...
Ang baho nga lang.
Di, yan yun yung tunay na amoy ng ng fresh.
Sabi, ba't ka nag-video?
Ball.
Tawag dyan is tuna.
Blue marlin.
Hindi, yan marlin. Ang marlin yung may mahaba yung bibig. Pantusok yung may sword.
Tuturo ko.
Tuna lang yan.
Ang laki.
Hindi ko nga alam kung bluefin yan or yellow
Saan nyo
tuna.
nakuha yan?
Huli nga namin sa bikini.
Hindi sa to.
Alam nyo kung nakakita kayo ng ganyan, baka kayo pa yung kainin kaysa yung mahuli nyo.
Masyadong maliit yung bibig para kumain ng tao. That's a massacre right there. It's a murder.
What happened to the tongue?
So yung dila?
It's the tongue.
Put it in now.
Hindi na bang isda?
No! Ayun dila, pati nga ako.
Hindi.
Ang laki, parang pwede mo pakainin yung buong barangay.
Yung tuna pa nga masarap yan inihaw. Ihawin natin.
Paano mag-ihawin yan sa may ihawin?
So dagat tayo, papaapoy lang tayo doon. Bukas, Friday, sakto. Ano po, bukas, apoy tayo sa dagat.
Tara.
Daryl, sama ka? Mag-ihaw tayo, ang tuna pa nga.
May TV dito.
Yan, hila.
Wait, is that really the tongue?
Yeah, it's the tongue. It's like a sandpaper.
Can you send it the other side? Okay.
Ay!
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go test the tuna. Put some butter. Probably more butter. More butter. Yeah, more butter. Okay, next, garlic. Okay, next, luya. Pantanggal ng lansa. Right, smell good. Boy, the main ingredient, tuna. Let's do it. Woo! Smells good. Oh, this is too big. Hey, can you cut it in half? Paputol ko ako para hati. Alright, salt and pepper. Hindi pa bukas. May baka pang asin.
Kabila, ayun ang kabila.
Pangit na yung kabila.
Ano pa? Ginagamit ko pa lang yan eh.
Try mo ba? Okay. Ay, sabi ka, sayang sa yung butas. Okay. Good. Pepper. Wala kang pepper dito. Ayun. Ayun, meron. Kaya rin.
Ito, 30. Wala. Adi. Oo, doon ako yung mga.
Woohoo! Fire on medium, and then we'll just wait. Ta-da! Oh, luto na yung tuna mo. Kumain ka na. Tama na paghihiwa ng tuna. Luto na. Hey, John. You can try it now. Try the fish, bro.
Smells like
It's not plastic. It's real.
smells like my nipple.
Are you sure you don't want to try tuna?
This is not tuna.
This is
This
tuna.
is shark.
This is a real tuna. It's time to try it.
No, you just get sick tomorrow.
No, this is good. Oh, it's hot. Woo! Hot. Oh. Yeah. Tastes like fish. It's good. Dami namang pagkain sa fish mo. Ano yan?
Fresh salmon head bones.
Fresh salmon. Paano naging fresh yan pa kung frozen?
American logic.
Oops. Alright, let's try it. How's the chicken? Tastes like fish?
Tastes like fish, this chicken.
That chicken tastes like fish. What up, people? We're now ready to eat this fish. Kumu. Nice kumu. First step, you gotta take the scale out, clean the fish, and then ready to fry the fish. Right, guys? Right.
Alright!
Catch of the day, kumu. Nice. Ouch! Gamay, dalawa lang muna.
Paano ko yung una sa pamawin?
Uy, sarap po. Lagyan mo lang yung dulo dun. Oh. That's a nice mouth. That's a big one. Kumu and Uhu. Yeah, and then the other guy. What are you doing, Phil?
This is called lemoncito.
It's gonna be a fish deep. That's where we're gonna put the fish, the deep fried one, right, Phil? Advantage of someone who knows how to fish, right, Phil?
Alright guys, this is how you slice tomato. All you have to do is to hold properly the knife on the very corner and then slice it from the bottom to the top.
And you use plate, yeah, you use plate. You don't use chopping board.
Yeah, use plate.
You use
Plate is much better than chopping board.
So that's
Okay.
a secret.
That's the secret to better slicing tomatoes.
So right now what we're doing is we're making a broth for the fish. What do we call it in Tagalog?
Sinabawang isda.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in, and this is our finished product over here. Look at it. Mmm, delicious.
Ooh.
Try to taste it. I forgot your name. See ya and have a good one.
Kasi ayaw ko yung ginagawa.
Okay, we would like to welcome everyone. Eds, Gabe, Alvin.
Hello everyone, this is PJ.
Ay, sorry.
PJ.
Phil and Russell. Russell, luto na ba yung sinabawan natin dyan?
Free dinner. We welcome you to our vlog tonight, and we're cooking fish. Fish is so delicious.
Well, he's from England.
Yes, I'm
England
from
Street,
England.
Philippines.
So if you can see, it's the best fish ever.
Magbubulang awayin yung mga kabayo. Da-da-da-dan. Dan. Oh, nice. Tastes like home.
No, if you taste it, tastes like chicken, my friends. Tastes like chicken.
Yun yung masarap sa isda. Para mawala yung sa.
Eh, wala na, busog na. So that's another catch and cook for you guys today. See ya.